Welcome. In this session, we wish to have a focus upon as to how such diverse spectra of existence phenomenon is being organized as a single discipline by Vedas in terms of a set of 16 sutras and 13 upsutras availing single alphabet, Devanagari alphabet of just 50 letters, out of which only 33 of them are being availed distinctively and 3 of them in their elongated form, thereby making it just a composition of 36 distinct letters. This is the posers. And the answer is we have to learn more and more, we have to think more and more, and we have to think the way Ganita Sutras are organizing themselves, the way Ganita Sutra 1 is preserving the keys of whole range of sutras, and the way Ganita Sutra 1 itself organizes itself and unfolds itself. This, that way, is the big poser. This, that way, is the real exposure to which we would like that we should have a quite pleasant visit domain. Let us think more about the existence phenomenon as and within frame domains or otherwise without frames. Before I proceed ahead with this statement, let me express as that those who want to communicate with me may do so on my email vedicganita@vedicganita.org. Now see how diverse is the spectra of our existence phenomenon. Trees, frogs, ants, birds, stones, dust, mountains, oceans, earth, planets, solar universe, spaces, folds, roles, framed domains, manifestations, lifespans, lineages, gaps, continuity, voids, cavities, outflow, transcendence, remanifestations, chaos, cores, disorders, reservoirs, dry reservoirs, cycles, outburst, inner calls, outer commands, light, darkness, spectra, invisible, nothing, and all that about the existence phenomenon being organized by the Vedas, raising urge to know as to the way space as same is manifesting and is being ordained by Vedic mathematics sutras, and the same deserves to be sequentially learned the way Ganita Sutra 1 organizes its unfolding process as well. One shall think more about it, the way these sutras organize and unfold themselves. This is a statement. Now, let us take a step ahead. Let us see how we can sequentially think more about the domain being learned in terms of Ganita Sutra 1. On the computer screen is the photocopy of this text portion in Vedic mathematics book of Swamiji, designated as 16 simple mathematical formulae from the Vedas. And Sutra 1, Ekadhiken Purve, is given a note that it is to be taken along with a corollary. And the corollary or subsutras are Anurupen and other upsutras. So Upsutra 1 is the corollary of Sutra 1. This is a big flag point indicator which is to be adopted, which is to be accepted, which is to be followed. And by so doing, we will be approaching text of Ganita Sutra 1, Eka Adhiken Purven, as complemented and supplemented by Subsutra 1, Anurupen. So while we shall be approaching the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutras, we shall be initiating ourselves with Ganita Sutra 1 as complemented and supplemented by Ganita Upsutra 1. Now see, the Ganita Upsutra 1 is a text of 2 words, while Ganita Upsutra is a text of a single word. So 2 words of Sutra 1 and 1 word of Subsutra 1, that will make integrated text of 3 words. Let us see that this format of 16 sutras along with 13 Upsutras, as Upsutra to follow the sutra, a sutra is to be complemented by Upsutra, makes an integrated format. Therefore, the mathematical format of Ganita Sutras is to be taken as an integrated format of 29 steps, 16 of them being of sutras and 13 of them being of Upsutras. However, these stand integrated in a way that the gaps between the consecutive sutras mathematical domains are bridged by mathematical domains of Ganita Upsutras. One may have a pause here and note that Ganita Sutra 1, Ganita Sutra 8, Ganita Sutra 9, Ganita Sutra 15, and Ganita Sutra 16, each is of 16 letters compositions. This being so, the Ganita Sutras 1 to 7 and Ganita Upsutras 1 to 7, that way sandwich the gaps. So Ganita Sutra 1 is to be followed by Ganita Upsutra 1, Ganita Sutra 2 is to be followed by Ganita Upsutra 2, and like that way to continue up till Ganita Sutra 7 to be followed by Ganita Upsutra 7. However, beyond that, the Ganita Sutra 8 and Ganita Sutra 9, both being of 16 letters each, so the bridging of a reach and transition from Ganita Sutra 8 to 9 no more requires any external bridging. And that way, the bridging between Ganita Sutra 15 and 16 is no more required. And also the continuity of recycling from Ganita Sutra 16 to Ganita Sutra 1 as well is going to be automatic, as here as well, both last and the first sutra being of 16 letters each have no gap which requires external bridging. Sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with the Vedic mathematical systems, organization and processing steps shall visit this organization. It is the integrated format of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras, which as such makes a text of 29 steps. We know that Ganita Sutras are 16, but there are 13 corollaries. Now, if we have numbers 1 to 16, we will see that this range of numbers 1 to 16 gives rise to as many as 29 factors. The formulation of TC value 16 is G, being, as well as the beach, the seat, and the value 29 is parallel with the TCV 29 of Brahma, creator, the supreme. Therefore, this organization, when it remains and restricts itself only up till 16 sutras as a distinct format and 13 Upsutras as distinct format, then 13 becomes Chit, consciousness, and 16 becomes Jeev, being. So being gets foundation of consciousness. So both these independent texts of sutras and upsutras as independent manifestations for the consciousness format for the existence phenomenon of a Jeev being is one way to look at. And the other way to look at is both together make an integrated format parallel with the format of Creator the Supreme. Lord Brahma, Creator the Supreme, is the presiding deity of the Creator of the space, that is four space. Therefore, these sutras organization as such deserves to be approached the way it is stitched, the way it is organized, the way it is composed. And it is this composition which is a very blissful state of the Creator's foundational manifestation reach. We, when have an urge to be parallel with the existence phenomenon within domain or without domains, as frames and without frames, then we have to be parallel with this organization. Therefore, the initiation naturally is to be with the first step of the integrated format as Eka Adhikain Purvain, as being complemented and supplemented by Ganita Upsutra 1. Ganita Upsutra 1, Anurupain, follow, Roop, the form as it is framed. So it is symmetry. In numbers, it is proportionality. In geometry, it is a reflection pairing. So all these features are inherently lively within Anurupain, and this one is to be the bridging complementary feature available for supplementing the processing of Eka Adhikain Purvain. So these together as such will make a sequential applications. When we say one more than before or one step more or having addition as an operation taking 1 to 2 or having multiplication of operation taking from 1 to 1 square, it is not only a one time step and stop. It is inherently of inbuilt potentialities because of Anurupain. So its applications as well are going to be sequential. And so the sequential reach as well is sequentially organized as one step to be followed by another step. And this is to continue, and this continuity is to be infinitely long, not only as infinity accepted for its limitations by a line for whole range of points. Even lines may it be infinite points as well, or sequentially accepting organization within a surface accommodating as many as infinitely many lines. So that way becomes the mathematics of infinities. Infinity as a unit is being handled. We will be coming here for further visit when we will be taking up the precise applications, the precise vision, precise comprehension as an end reach. But for the present, it will be just sufficient to add that it is a sutra, and sutra formulation is a PCVL 15, while The Shabd word is of TC value 17. So a reach from Sutra to Shabd means a reach from value 15 to value 17. 15 is a Tej, it is a glow, and 17 is Atma, is self. Therefore, this reach, when is to be of the eternal domain, Brahman domain, then naturally it will be unfolding its inner folds values and we will be parallel with it. But for the present, it will be sufficient to point out as that 16 letters of Ganita Sutra 1 together with 10 letters of Ganita Sutra 1 together make 26, which is parallel with the summation value of hypercube 7. A, the first vowel, the first letter as the sixth vowel, that way becomes initiation with 6 space and reach in terms of complementing format of Ekadikain and Rupain as 26 is of reach at 26, that is 7 space. Sun is a 6 space body. Dhruv, pole star, is a 7 space body. So this mathematics with this complementing augmented formatting process will be of the reach from Surya to Dhruv, from sun to a pole star. And when we say Eka Adhikain Purvain, Pur means east, a step ahead of a east. East is the placement of a Surya, so a step ahead of the sun is a step up till reach. So when we will be on the astronomical applications of these sutras, sorry, then we shall be face to face with the achievements and bliss of the applications of these sutras, which will work out the solar domain with pole star at its origin. Therefore, sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge shall have approach for sequential applications of Ganita Sutra 1, and for that we have to have sequential visit to the internal organization of these texts. Now see, the Ganita Sutra 2 is all from 9 and last from 10. It is at the outer crust is a mathematical domain of 10 place value system organized in terms of 9 numerals. Now, this reach is a transition from the linear progression. We sequentially progress one after the other, and that way we will not have a stop after 9. We will go to 10, 11, and 12, but the mathematics requirement, achievement, attainment is that this sequential progression, when is complemented, then the same with the rule of symmetry will provide automatic transition from single digit numbers to double digit numbers, triple digit numbers, quadruple digit numbers, and so on. Therefore, this will provide us a transition from linear progression to spatial progression. We will transit from a line to a surface. We'll transit from single axis to a pair axis format that will take us to the grids. This will be a transition from vowels to consonants. This will be a transition from vowels 1 to 9 to a 5x5 grid, 5x5 Varga consonants. So sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with the mathematical processing steps of Ganita Sutras, the way these sutras are organized. Then one shall complement Ganita Sutra 1 with Ganita Upsutra 1, and with this Brinji have a smooth transition from linear progression to the spatial progression from Ganita Sutra 1 to Ganita Sutra 2, from single digit numbers to double digit numbers. 10 place value system is having 1 to 99 as double digit numbers. 100 itself is the first triple digit number. These 99 double digit numbers get accommodated along 9x11 grid. And with this generality, it is n place value system which will have its accommodation along n-1 cross n+1 grid. It is going to be a very, very blissful exercise to see how we can have any place value system by accepting it as n place value system and then constituting a grid of n-1 cross n+1. But if we have a revisit to say 9 place value system, 8 place value system, and so on, say 3 place value system and 2 place value system. However, when we will be face to face with 1 place value system, then certainly our mind will have a jerk. It will become not so easy to comprehend a grid for 1 place value system as of 0 cross 2 grid, having 0 column and pair of rows for accommodation. It is here where Ganita Sutra 1 comes in play. One can have a revisit to Peano's axioms on the one hand and Ganita Sutra 1 on the other hand. See, the text of Ganita Sutra 1 is the text which, when is visited for its composition, then we will see that as it is a text availing Devanagari alphabet letters, so these letters carry along with them the values and features of Devanagari alphabet format itself. And Devanagari alphabet format is a compactified format of as many of 5 folds, 5 formats. Letters format is the uppermost crust. Beneath it is the numbers, letters, values. Then beneath the numbers are the Sthapatya, geometric formats. Beneath it is the transcendental flow. Then it is a remanifestation as well. Now, let us have a pause. Let us translate letters text of Ganita Sutra 1 into its numbers text. On the computer screen is the table where the row 1 depicts serial numbers of the letters, row 2 mentions the letters themselves, and row 3 gives their placement values, TC values. These TCV values of this text letters amounts to the translation of this text into the numbers text. So, Ekadhiken Purve, as of letters text, when stands translated into numbers text, then it will gives us a range of values as 6, 4, 2, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1 for Ekadike, 5, 6, 3, 7, 6, 7, 1 for Purvain. So when this text stands translated into numbers text, then naturally more blissful mathematical entities surface. These mathematical entities are easy to handle in terms of the operations for these values and artifices of these values. Step ahead, this numbers alphabet is to be translated into its sthapatya, geometric text. So these numbers values of these letters of this text are to be transited for their geometric formats. On the computer screen, the first row is of letters, second row is of numbers associated with these letters, and third row is of parallel geometric formats. Illustratively, the first letter A, the sixth vowel, takes us to value 6, and value 6 further takes us to H2, that is hypercube 2, that is 2 space body. The hypercube 2 is a 4-fold manifestation layer of 0, 1, 2, and 3. 0 as dimension, 1 as boundary, 2 as domain, and 3 as origin. Summation value is 6. Step ahead, value 4 take us to D3, the space content of 3 space which splits, provides a spectra of value 4. Now this value is of features of 4 space as dimension of a 6 space. So when this text of letters is translated into its numbers, and when further the numbers are taken to their geometric formats, then the sequential format comes to be as is tabulated on the computer screen and is mentioned in row 3, H2, D3, H1, small h2, H1, D3, H2, D5, H half, H1 and half, H2, H1, H2, 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 H1 and half. The capital H and small h for full unit and half unit are to be properly distinguished for their appreciation of distinctive features, distinctive geometric formats of the bodies manifesting within the creators of space. Therefore, the step ahead will take us to the chase of transcendental content flow along this sthapatya format, and this brings us face to face with as that transcendence within the transcendental space takes from domain to a dimension of dimension. It is this feature of flow of the content which is lively here in the text of Ganita Sutra 1. This is the 4th fold of the Devanagari alphabet compactification. Devanagari alphabet is a compactified set of alphabets: letters alphabet, numbers alphabet, sthapatya geometric alphabet, transcendental flow, content flow along these format, these geometric formats, like a flow of a fluorescence within rays of the sun. Light as a fluorescence flow within rays of the sun is a transcendental content flow along this Sthapatya format. Step ahead, this format, as it is a transcendental content flowing, this content remanifests itself within creators of space. It is this remanifestation of the transcendental content which is depicted on the computer screen as of pair of phases, first for Ekadhikane formulation and followed by the Purvain formulation. Therefore, the sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with the Vedic mathematical processing systems for chase of the existence phenomenon have to be parallel with all these five folds of the text. So this text, which on the face of it, on its surface appears to be a text of words, letters. So this letters text is only one of the five texts embedded here, coded here, preserved here, lively here, available here. The second text is numbers text, third text is Sthapatya text, fourth text is transcendental content flow text, and fifth text is its remanifestation. So it is the manifestation creations of force space permitting transcendence for remanifestation in the next dimensional space content. It is this reach of the organization of having a transition and transformation from given dimensional domain to the next higher dimensional domain is the feature which deserves to be comprehended well. It is only with this comprehension, it is only by imbibing it, it is only by being parallel with it that we will be parallel with the Vedic systems. And these Vedic systems, which are of five compactified texts, is same as such, or preserving the structural keys within the letters. And it is this feature of these five-fold formatting setups for each letter, which is of potentialities in terms of which the 16 letters of the text of Ganita Sutra 1 are preserving these structural keys of Ganita Sutras 1 to 16 in that sequential order. On the computer screen is the tabulation, where column 1 is the serial number, is the number of the letters, number of the sutras, and number of the coordinations. A reach from first sutra to second sutra, reach from first letter of Sutra 1 to second letter of Sutra 2, reach from the structural key of Ganita's first letter of Ganita Sutra 1 to structural key of Ganita Sutra 2, lively within second letter of Ganita Sutra 1. As such is the organization. It is this organization which is having a hope for us. We will have full satisfaction. Our urge will be blissfully satisfied as to how Vedic mathematics is inherently of potentialities to be parallel with such diversified existence phenomenon of our solar universe, including of existence phenomenon within human frame, like all other existence phenomena within frames or even without frames. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to continuously remain in prolonged sittings of trance and to imbibe these values and features and be parallel with it. Thank you very much.